Cocina Lab is a methodology to learn to innovate while cooking. We start from the fact that kitchens are the first laboratories in our history, and that in them we can learn the basic elements of innovation: opening, mixing, speeding up, experimenting, collaborating, and using new technologies. Through workshops aligned with these innovation vectors, we work on essential competencies, skills, and roles to strengthen the Aragon agri-food circle as an innovation ecosystem. These activities mix actors from different sectors to experiment, cook, think, and co-create together, valuing the food of Aragon. Have you ever wondered how innovation tastes like? Or what are the ingredients to innovate? Innovation and cooking seem a priori antagonistic disciplines, but if we think of elements such as creativity, inspiration, flavors, mixtures, tradition, magic, feelings, and encounters, the words probably become more familiar and we recognize ourselves closely in them. Understanding the kitchen as innovation, it is not something linear. The ingredients, the amount, the timing, the tools, the human touch, the context, the local culture make everything change, and the whole is more than the addition of the parts. Cocina Lab invites you to savor innovation in a different way. The purpose is to prepare unique cookbooks while cooking and reflecting on that will allow the ecosystem to be shaken and create operational work access and strategic lines that can be useful to the agri-food sector. Cocina Lab uses the five senses as tools for innovation, facilitating unlikely connections, the creation of networks, and the feeling of belonging to a common project. Cocina Lab is a project that directly benefits a very high number of people who are part of the core structure of the Aragon agri-food industry. The incorporation of various interested groups from other sectors produce important structural changes by having the possibility to generate better solutions, promote collaborative work, and betting on innovation to impulse sustainable change over time. It is a model that has made it possible to generate multiple projects to promote local produce consumption and to value the food heritage of Aragon, having as a guiding light the innovation of the sector in a sustainable way.